Okay, go ahead.
My name is Bill Spicer. I'm the host of the new Fly Fisher television show. And recently, I was at Waterfalls-Lodge. What I got to say is I had a great time. The accommodations were second to none, very clean, very modern. You can do your own thing by cooking your own meals, or you can have a full American plan. And by the way, the fishing was outstanding. I got a number of 5-pound smallmouth on top water and a bunch of smaller ones underneath the surface, all with flies. So if you bring conventional tackle, you'll even do better than I did. I highly recommend Waterfalls-Lodge.